This is the CCTOO Women's Summer Maxi Wrap Dress. It was sent to review and I love it. It is a nice deep V, but there is a little clasp here to keep it from plunging too far down, which I love. I love the sleeves are so nice and airy. This is not attached, so you can use it or don't use it. It's nice and stretchy, elastic under there, so it comes in at the waist, but it's super comfy. The slits come mid-thigh on both. I'm 5'8", lower than a T length, but not to the floor on me anyway. I'm 5'8", remember? It might be a true maxi to the floor for the shorter girls, 5 foot or so, but for me, 5'8", it's a nice length that's not gonna get on the floor or anything. I love it. It is so lightweight and comfortable. It's not lined. There's no built-in slip or anything, but I don't feel like I need to wear a slip. It's just like really comfy, lightweight, easy care. Throw it in the washer and dryer. It packs well for travel. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I absolutely love it. Comes in a bunch of designs. That's probably the hardest choice, which one. This is the 185 black. It actually says with lining, but I can't feel that there is any lining, so I don't know what that's about. I love this dress, and I know you will too.